So when it comes to stocking your medicine cabinet, there's really only a few things that you need to have, and these are there just so that you have the things on hand to manage the common symptoms and injuries and ailments that that kids tend to get. Now, some of the basics are ibuprofen and acetaminophen, which are good for controlling pain, fever, headaches, and also just to make your child more comfortable if she has a fever. It's also a good idea to have some Neosporin on hand. Kids always get cuts and scrapes, and this is a very good way of preventing infection in those areas. Hydrocortisone cream over the counter can also be helpful for minor rashes and skin irritation, and also some first aid supplies like some Band-Aids and some gauze, things like that. A little hydrogen peroxide to help cuts and scrapes also is a pretty good idea, and maybe even some tweezers to go ahead and get out some splinters. Now, you may have noticed that I didn't mention anything about cough and cold medications. It used to be that these were used fairly frequently, but there's been a great deal of research done on these. And for kids under 6 years, it's been shown that they really don't have any benefits in children. And so the Academy of Pediatrics recommends now that we don't use any of these: expectorants, decongestants, antihistamines, antitussives, any of the things found in the over-the-counter cough and cold medicines in children. The other concerning part of this is, although there's no benefit to these medications, there can be some side effects which can occasionally be severe, especially in kids under 2 years. So really we recommend that you don't buy these at all, and instead just go ahead and do supportive measures like using the acetaminophen or the ibuprofen that we talked about before, along with usual mom stuff like fluids and rest and hydration to help your child feel better. If you start to have concerns, though, about your child's cough, cold symptoms, go ahead, contact the pediatrician. We'll get them in and take a look and see what's going on.